If you live in Canal Winchester, Ohio, and you have a house you're looking to sell because you're downsizing, or if you're thinking about downsizing and selling your Canal Winchester house at some point in the future, this video is for you. My name is Dave Payerton with Sell House Columbus, and for over 14 years, we've been working with people in Canal Winchester who want to sell their house fast, easy, and conveniently, but still not give it away. They want to be treated fairly, and we specialize. We've worked with many people who are downsizing, many people in Canal Winchester, and the reason people like working with us is we're the easy button. We're going to be a cash buyer, so we're not relying on the bank to approve us. We don't need 100 people walking through your house. We don't need formal inspections and appraisals, and what happens if the bank changes their terms and now you're left back at square one. That's very inconvenient. You're going to get that with a traditional buyer. Oftentimes a traditional buyer is going to be represented by a real estate agent, so you can pretty much say goodbye to tens of thousands of dollars in commissions and fees and closing costs and everything that comes with a traditional buyer. We're not a traditional buyer. We're going to pay cash for the property. We're going to buy the house in its as-is condition. That means you don't need to fix anything. You don't need to haul anything away or clean anything. We'll buy it as it sits. Every house needs work. We fully anticipate that, especially if you've been living there for a long time. And that's perfectly fine. We'll buy it in its as-is condition. You don't have to give the house away. We're going to treat you very fair, just like we've been doing for over 14 years. And if you have stuff that you want to leave behind, maybe you want to dispose of, we can dispose of it for you, or we can donate it for you. But you're going to be able to take anything with you that you want. If you need help with movers, we've been in Central Ohio for quite a long time. We can help you with any aspect of the sale of your property that you need help with. So if you have a house that you're looking to sell because you're downsizing, our phone number here is 614-300-5151, and our website is sellhousecolumbus.com. You'll fill out a very basic form on the website, and then we'll get on the phone with you. And when we get on the phone, our conversation is very simple. We just need to know more information on the house and know more information on your timeline. Remember, since we're a cash buyer, we're able to close on your timeline. So if you need speed, we got that. If you need flexibility, we got that. And that's it. We're going to make you a fair cash offer for your house. If our offer works for you, great. We'll get this thing going and communicate with you very transparently throughout the whole process. You're always going to know where everything's at throughout the process. But if our offer doesn't work for you, that's okay too. We can shake hands and part as friends. There's never going to be any added stress or pressure, games or gimmicks or sales tactics or anything like that. So once again, our phone number is 614-300-5151. And our phone number, or our website I should say, is sellhousecolumbus.com. We buy houses in Canal Winchester, Ohio, and we specialize in buying houses from people who are looking to downsize, looking to be treated fairly, and I know we could work with you as well. So my name is Dave Payerton. Our number, once again, 614-300-5151. Our website is sellhousecolumbus.com. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.